If you plant an oak tree seed in a small pot, it will never become mighty and majestic as oak trees are capable of becoming, because a shallow pot will suppress and suffocate its growth. There was nothing wrong with the seed. The only problem is that you planted it in the wrong environment, in the wrong conditions. Remember that you too are a seed from God, and God Almighty says, I have created you with my own two hands. And so you're destined to prosper, to thrive, and to succeed. So never allow your environment or your situation to decide what you can become.